Imagine yourself in this 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, passenger airbag sensor, ABS, and driver airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.